Hello and welcome to Tradepronamics. This is a demonstration of visual inspection. What visual inspection is a report that you give to your customers to tell them what extra services they might need for their car, or they do need for their car, depending on the urgency of it. So to use visual inspection, all you do is you click on this button here, visual inspection. You can have as many of these items inspect as you want. Create your own, obviously. So all you do is you say, okay, I've checked the battery's good, the fan belt needs attention, I haven't checked that, that's urgent, that needs attention, the alternator needs urgent attention. And you save it. When you print your invoice, it prints a report as well. You give that report to your customer, it's color coded, and it tells them, this is saved as well in the invoice, part of the invoicing history. It tells them, gives them an inspection report, and they might say, okay, fix the headlights, they need attention, you might need adjusting, or whatever, or change the alternator. So, get you more business. Want to download a demo of the complete system, Ladder Mechanic Workshop Management Software, from bookings to GST, BAS, single touch payroll, SMS, marketing, reminder letters, etc. The whole thing without any need to integrate any other software. Go to www.rad.com.au. So it's radforradical.com.au. Thanks.